No, Jeffy, it's raining outside.
Jeffy, how many times do we have to tell you do not eat golf balls?
Well, then why they look so yummy?
They don't!
Well, they look like marshmallows.
It's just a little bit of rain and wind.
Everyone, look out for Hurricane Jeffy! I'm gonna destroy everything in my path. Knows about her. She's dangerous.
Chef Pee-Pee, I didn't see Sally.
What do you mean you didn't see her? She's huge!
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, you stop talking about my girlfriend like that.
What?
Yeah, I know you think she's a 2, but she's a 10 to me. And just because she's fat, I love big girls. I think they need love.
Junior, it's a hurricane. Where are you going, Jeffy? I'm a hurricane! Oh my God, Mario!
Oh, Mario, the storm.
A mess.
Oh no, the power went out.
That's so annoying. I think I want to date men now.
The entire house, Mario.
Just my kitchen.
Yeah, in the living room, he's making a huge mess.
Mario, we'll clean it up later. He's letting his imagination wander.
Well, he needs to stop wandering. Men now.
Oh, okay, look, we knew this was gonna happen.
We have power.
Oh.
Maybe we should porky. I bet.
Tell me the news.
Damn it! You! Nice? Hold on, I don't know. Jeffy, where are you at? Oh, he's in the pantry.
Mario, the streetlight's on.
But the streetlights are on.
Yes.
That doesn't make any sense. Why don't we have power?
I don't know. Let me go and check the circuit breaker.
Jeffy, stop it! Jeffy, stop it! You are not a hurricane!
Mario, that was me. I agree. He needs to leave on the street. Yeah, he is poor. He's stupid. Mario's such a poo-poo head. Mario, he is a race poo-poo. He is the poo-poo that poops in the poo-poo.